surrendered their lives for the welfare of our country. DJ Bernil, Amelia Padar, Lorraine Caranzo, Isha Pilar, Alberto Guzman, Reed Mohanay, Mike Tanzo, Jesus Loro.
On 2021 September, from different testing centers across the country, 35,213 young individuals took the Philippine Military Academy entrance examination. These aspiring cadets have undergone thorough screening and testing. After the complete physical and medical examinations, 350 aspirants were deemed worthy and given the opportunity to become a member of the PMA Siklab Laya Class of 2025. Coming from different regions of the archipelago, ranging as far north as Batanes to as far south as Tawi-Tawi, representing different sectors of our society and from all walks of life. These cadets before you are the future leaders of our armed forces and our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, at your right are the members of the Silent Drill Company of the PMA Siklab Laya Class of 2025. Solidarity, perseverance, and professionalism. These are the values that our class upholds. As future leaders of our nation, it is important that we make a stand for the peaceful progress of our country. Sundalong isinilang na kasangga at lakas ng ating bayan para sa kalayaan. As the warriors and protectors of our land, we dedicate our lives for the peace and prosperity of mankind. Being on the grounds of this prestigious institution, we stand firm and proud to serve the Filipino people. We will not pause. We will not falter. As young soldiers of the armed forces of the Philippines, we shall create a tight and boundless connection between every Filipino. We shall maintain freedom in our changing world. And all of the walls of our alma mater will help us achieve the values that are needed to preserve the peace. We will continue to serve as the guiding light of the armed forces of the Philippines and the nation. The PMA Siklab Laya Class of 2025 exemplifies service, integrity, and nationalism as future leaders in selfless service to our nation. We, the PMA Class of 2025, march along the sacred grounds of this magnanimous institution as we move on to become the very standard of excellence we seek to become.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again good morning. You are about to witness unflowing floats of flares and dexterity as a group of young men and women from the PMA Siklab Laya Class of 2025 performs the silent drill. The company now executes, present arms, and they salute you all for this significant occasion.
No! Handa na po ang balangay sa pagtatanghal.
You are now hearing the last command. From then on, the silent drill company of the PMA Siklab Laya Class of 2025 will proceed with the drill without further commands.
Once a simple dream, now a living reality, as we press forward to achieve a common goal. The Academy's deep-rooted traditions develop cadets to become persons of gentle breeding and strong character. To this day, and even to reach our uniforms, we carry in our hearts this sacred coat of arms. This is what the big arrow is all about. An arrow would be to be perfect and straight, flies true to its target. It is a constant reminder to continue to move forward towards the direction of our hopes, dreams, and aspirations. It also points towards you, our fellow Filipinos, whom we promise to serve.
Cadets, even with the vigorous military training, stay to be young gentlemen and ladies. The principles they will have to see carry out this ability under the coalition for being. As visitors may see, cadets are not refined and sociable, but they always sense the affection of their welcome through greetings and felicitations. At the rear of their crisp uniforms are vulnerable people who remain the same as they always have been. This is shown as the drillers form the cheerful letters. H and I. Hi. Welcome to the silent drill performance of the PMA Siklab Laya Class of 2025.
From the origins of PMA in 1898, it has produced graduates who unselfishly surrendered their lives for the welfare of our country. The Academy has remained steadfast to its mission to instruct, train, and develop the cadets so that each graduate shall possess the character, the broad and basic military skills, and the education essential to the successful pursuit of a progressive military career. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the letters of distinction. P, M, and A. The drillers emphasize the letters through a series of memorable arms, starting with P, then M, and A. The drillers acknowledge honor and stand by the responsibility that comes with it as they execute the salute to the Philippine Military Academy.
The standard of perfection that the Academy promotes upon each cadet refers to the quality of officers the Philippine Military Academy produces. As such, the fundamental objective of the Academy is to develop the values and character of each cadet, for us to become men and women, standing upright as the noble dwellers of this institution. This perfection is displayed as we dedicate our lives in the service of the country. The concentric circles. When the cadets first set foot in the academy, they became part of something greater than themselves. The academy breeds leaders, working together to achieve a common goal. This can only be attained through synergy, with the whole being greater than the sum of its parts. Building a stronger bond with each other, despite our differences, in order to collectively work hand in hand to achieve our goal and fulfill our purpose. Watch it as we move out here to show you. The planting rifles. Here, the cadets raise their rifles high for planting, just in time for the next one to bring it up. Attention and alertness are needed to keep the momentum going. Now the cadets are marching to the other side, preparing their rifles again for planting, keeping their pace, paying attention to the details of their actions. Moving and turning outwards, the drillers will show you another drill. The passing of rifles. This exhibition symbolizes the sharing and helping among the cadets. The cadet is out to reach the hands of those in need. Cooperation and coordination is the key to aesthetic results. The drillers will now show you an exhibition that shows the ability of the cadets to fire while being pressured by their natural surroundings. Now watch them as they perform. The throwing of rifles. This exhibition coordinates the cadets' ability to be attentive in various activities. A single mistake will destroy the whole performance. A second delay could cause injury to the next person, which simply means that real-life change. Embodied as one, each link plays a vital role in a long range of service in our institution. With all those countless drills and parades, endless compliances, and modeling academics, one could see the joyful cries swelling in our hearts.
The ever-brilliant sun, as the shining celestial body around the earth, has served as a bright beacon of our land. Such is the role of a servant leader, to be the guiding light for us, the future, as catalyst of change.
In a place where war and terrorism have cast their shadows, we are united as we persistently strive to maintain harmony in this constantly changing world. The preservation of peace is never simple. Its complexity lies in cooperation.
We are una Lisa Eboy, Katrina Luna, Genesis Marcos, Brice Pablo, Aaron Fernandez, Samantha Vago, Ivan Ventura, Yuri Saraza, Angelica Mardo, Nancy Malayo, Jimmy Rondina, Ramonita Macasiray, Don Salazar, Rema Lopez, Raisa Alendra, Dexter Lucata, Jerome Lataya, Kenneth Zapatera, Rian Garcia, Steven Harade, Caleb Morado, Colin Bulanagi, Bridget Ando, Carlo Campas, Blix Lagi, Lord Valdez, Michael Gumban, Giro Bulusa, Manalan, Albert Ludones. Members of the Black Platoon are Alvin Tapat, Tina Padilla, Kent Cabintoy, DJ Granil, Amelia Padar, Lorena Caranzo, Isha Aguilar, Alvin Guzman, Reed Mahanay, Nick Tanzo, Vince Loro, Matthew Luna, Carlos Doran, Nara Tierra, Paul Vigo, RJ Redongo, RJ Quito, Steven Valdez, Rito Matacas, Joseph Bagaspas, Agapito Estrella, Benoncio Valdez, Ors Bangayon, Jericho Villa, Gabriel Roa, Edwin Pahal, J.R. Espiritu, Ajan Payam, Mark Rodriguez, Rafael Villamillo, Jamie Ramirez, and Justin Arsenal. The drummers, Dixon Pantaliano and Chrysler Villar. Members of the Speakers Board are Ana Sofia Beneo, Mark Jules Aquino, and Warren Christopher Dacao. This performance will not be possible without the unparalleled support of our officer in charge, Major Raymond Dennis P. Carmona, Philippine Army, and the training staff of PMA Bagong Siklab Class of 2024, headed by Cadet First Class Sam Jember of Lensha.
Yo! Basta po mo lang ay sa pagtatanghal.